Welcome to Little Readers. Like, share, and subscribe.
Hi, I am Amanda, and these are my friends. Together we are
Little Readers.
Good morning, little readers.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we are going to Alphabet Town. Welcome to Alphabet Town.
Wow.
Come sing with me.
This place. The letters are glowing. The letters are glowing.
A, B, C, come sing with me. Letter sounds 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning letters is so sweet. From A to Z we shout hooray. We'll learn our alphabet today. Sound it out, come and see, little readers.
Let's meet our singing letters, the vowels. A says ah, like apple. E says eh, like egg. I says igloo. O says like orange. U says like umbrella. I says like igloo. Now let's meet some busy consonants.
B followed by C and D and F and G.
B says buh like ball. C says k like cat.
D says duh, like dog. F says like fish. G says g, like goat.
This is so fun.
K says kite. H says h, like hat. J says d, like jam. L says l, like lion. M says m, like monkey. N says like nest. P says p, like pig. Q says coo, like queen. R says fur, like rabbit.
Like sun.
T says T, like tiger. V says V, like van. W says W, like watch. X says X, like box.
X says kuss like box.
Y like yo-yo. Z says Z, like zebra.
A says ready, play, clap, ho. It shines, we are reading, we are proud.
Now you know your alphabet sounds from A to Z.
Alphabet sounds are fun.
Bye, little readers.